Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Satriani. With name 204 001 24. I'm assessment 12 discussion section. Okay, I will first part 1, comprehension question 1. Main purpose of the discussion section versus findings. The main purpose of the discussion section is to interpret and explain what the result actually mean, while the findings section simply presents the raw data or facts. The what the discussion explains the why and how it connects the result to the bigger picture, showing how they contribute to the field of study. 2. Creswell 2001 on quantitative findings according to Creswell when discussing quantitative findings, research should just repeat the numbers they need to explain whether the result supported or refuted the original hypothesis in influence interpreting the statistical significance and discussing why those specific outcomes occurred in the context of the study. 3. Connecting findings to theory. Connecting findings to theory is crucial because it gives us the study a solid academic foundation. Theory helps explain the underlying mechanisms behind the result. Without theory, the findings are just isolated facts. Why theory they become part of a broader as scientific conversation and help validate or challenge exciting knowledge. 4. Difference in discussion findings quantitative, mixed. Qualitative focus on the whether the data support the hypothesis and compares results with previous statistical study. Qualitative focus on the terms and patterns using rich description and participant quotas to build a deeper understanding. Method methods combines but usually by showing how the qualitative story explains the quantitative numbers, creating a more complete picture. 5. A role of previous research. Previous research acts as a benchmark. By comparing your result with early study, you can show if your findings are consistent with what others found or if they offer something new. It adds credibility to your work and helps identify where your study fits in the current literature. Part 2, Analytical question. 6. Improving a discussion statement. Original, the mean post score uh, increased from 60 to 8 to 3 after the implementation of podcast-based learning analysis. This is just a findings, not a discussion. It lacks interpretation and context. Stronger version. The significant increase in post-test scores from 60,5 to 82,3 suggests that podcast-based learning effectively improved students' listening and speaking judgment. This is improvement likely occurred because podcast provides authentic audio input, which helps students familiar themselves with natural pronunciation and vocabulary in a more interactive way. 7. Sequence in qualitative discussion. The sequence then interpretation theory, previous research implication. is effective because it follows a logical flow from the specific to the general. It starts with what was found, then explains its interpretation, groups it in session theory, validates its previous research, and finally explains why it matters from real-world implication. Like social learning theory, Bandura, 100, 100, 109, 190 and 86, and TikTok Bandura social learning theory emphasize the people learning through observation and imitation. In a speaking class, TikTok serves as a platform for middling students who watch others speak in short, engaging videos and then imitated through patterns. The positive perfection comes from the fact that students feel more motivated then they can observe very relatable and peers or creators, making the learning process feel social and achievable rather than imitating. Part 3 Application Question 9. Discussion paragraph. AI in writing the findings indicate that students generally have a positive perception of using AI to English writing, primarily because this tool provides immediate feedback on grammar and vocabulary. This is aligned with the process approach to reading, where continuous revision is key. Marissa mirrors previous study by Smith 2022, what found the AI reduced writing anxiety for educators. This implies that AI shouldn't be banned, but rather integrated as a writing assistant to help students focus more on creative expression and structural organization. 10. A discussion paragraph. TikTok and speaking makes methods the qualitative data showed a significant result in student speaking scores, which is directly explained by the qualitative interviews, where students express feeling more confident and motivated. This is integrate result. So bias that TikTok's short video format lowers the effective foster crosshand 109 and 82. One student to practice speaking in a low pressure environment. The findings are consistent with recent research by Jonas 2020 2023 regarding mobile assist the language learning. Therefore, teachers should consider using social media platforms like TikTok that create a more dynamic and less formal speaking environment, effectively boosting both skill and confidence. And thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.